Well, good morning, and we're out for another walk today, up into the high hills. Struggled to get up a bit this morning. I don't know whether I'm a bit under the weather or what, but yeah, I wanted to get out, so I've come out. Weather's not brilliant, good for walking, not brilliant for photography, but we'll see what we can get. So to start off with, I wish you all a good festive season. This video should be going out, providing it turns out alright and gets done. Should be coming out on Sunday, which is the 25th of December. So yeah, hope you're all having a good time. So yeah, and the other thing is just to remind people, excuse me while I just go through this gate. Remind people, if you like the video, please click the thumbs up, and if you like what I'm doing, why not subscribe, both of which do the channel great good and help it to get its message across. So, and the other thing is, if you comment, or if there's anything you'd like to comment again about, please comment, whether it's about this particular video, whether it's any comments about landscape photography or the Lake District in general, or any questions, or if there's somewhere in particular you'd like me to go. And talking of going, where are we going today? Right, I don't know whether you can see behind me there. That's Grasmere, and we've got Helm Crag up behind. Yeah, I think that's Helm Crag up there. But we're going up in the opposite direction. We've parked at the Traveller's Rest, where I need to see the manager on the way back about some work he wants doing in January. And we're coming up, and the idea is to walk up to Grisedale Tarn. And the route I'm taking, I'm not quite sure whether there's some waterfalls on the way. If there is, we'll maybe get some images of those. I mean, I have been up to Grisedale Tarn, but I did a search on Lightroom last night, and I'm very fastidious about geotagging and keywording all my images. And when I put in Grisedale Tarn, there's only a couple of images came up that were taken 10 years ago, which is before I really got more into landscape photography. So it's long overdue. Yeah, long overdue to there. So yeah, we'll carry on. We'll get up there. We'll see what we can see. So, but yeah, it's a nice day for walking. Anyway, better stop rambling, and we'll see you a bit later. Right, so we haven't come much further, or come very far up on the way to Grisedale Tarn. But I just thought I'd get this picture of that's Helm Crag, and I can't remember what the other one to the right is called. In the sort of dip, that's where I think it's Grisedale Tarn in there, and I thought it made quite a nice composition. And it's quite wide, so what I'm going to do is a panorama, and then we'll see what it looks like. So as you can see, I've got the camera set up in the portrait orientation, because if you do a panorama, normally you do it in portrait, which then gives you the maximum number of megapixels for cropping down. Yeah, I used to not really understand this, and when I did panos, I did them in landscape just to make it wider. But yeah, you do it in portrait, stitch them together, and then you've got plenty of pixels to be able to crop down to the shot you want. So yeah, I'll capture the image. If it's any good, we'll put it up on the video, and we'll carry on up to Grisedale Tarn. And just having a quick look at the back of the camera, the settings we've chosen is 100 ISO f11 as per usual, and on this occasion a 13th of a second. So yeah, we'll see you a bit later. Right, well, as you see from the B-roll that you can see at the moment, I have made my way up the path and we're getting nearer to the tarn. So yeah, so we've got as far as the waterfalls. I think the one I'm at now is probably the highest of the two. So I'm gonna, oh, and it's starting to rain as well, so I'm not quite sure what we're going to do, but we're going to see if we can get an interesting composition here of the waterfall, and then we'll carry on up to the tarn and see what happens there. So I'll see you shortly when I've sorted out my composition. Right, well, I found a composition. Yeah, you see there's the camera, it's fairly low, and then we've got a little stream leading up to the waterfall. Yeah, I think it makes quite a good composition, and if we look at the back of the camera there, you see I've got the lines to show if I do it as a square crop, where everything will be. And at the moment it's set at 100 ISO f11 and a 10th of a second, although I may do some get some images with a slightly slower shutter speed. So yeah, that's the composition. If the images are any good, we'll put them up on the video after this, and then I'll head up to Grisedale Tarn. So yeah, we'll see you shortly. Right, well, we've made it to Grisedale Tarn, but unfortunately the weather's closed in. It's now quite gusty winds, because I was hoping to have got here with time and calm winds to get the drone up, but that's not going to happen. And it's raining quite a bit as well, so, and you can, I don't know whether you can see there the raindrops on the camera. So yeah, so we've that's basically the composition, with some rocks in the foreground, Grisedale Tarn, and Seat Sandal, I think it is, the mountain in the background. If that's wrong, I'll put the name up on the video. So yeah, we haven't got a huge amount of time, because it's going to be sunset soon and we need to get back down. So yeah, if you look at the back of the camera there, you can see that as normal it's f11 100 ISO, but a fifth of a second. So we'll see how it comes out, and if it's any good, we'll put it up on the video after this. Yeah, we're just going to pack up and carry on to get back down. Depending on how we're doing, there was a bit of a waterfall further down. If we've got time, we'll stop there. If not, we'll just head straight back to the van. So yeah, enjoy the shot, and we'll see you a bit later. Right, well, I couldn't quite find the waterfall that I thought I'd seen on the way up, but we just come where we're going to cross this river. There's a footbridge just up there, so I've just got a composition of the cascades, so hopefully it'll turn out quite good. So yeah, you can see the cameras there. That's the composition. The weather at the moment is I'm getting a little bit cold and I'm quite wet, so not much farther back to the Traveller's Rest. So I just thought I'd take this, and we'd see if see if it makes a reasonable shot that we could possibly come back to in better light, or it may come out all right anyway. So I mean, it looks all right on the back of the camera. So yeah, well, we'll pack up and we'll carry on back to the Traveller's Rest, and we'll see you shortly. But if the picture's any good, I'll put it up on the video. So bye for now. Well, I forgot to do a conclusion while I was out in the field, and as you can see from the B-roll, I did get to the Traveller's Rest. And if you watched the video to this point, thank you very, very much. It was good to get out, and it was a reasonable day. It's just a shame that the weather, I was a bit soggy when I got to the Traveller's Rest and needed to dry out and speak to the guy there about some work. That's why the concluding bit didn't get videoed down, so I'm doing it now. So yes, thank you very much if you've watched the video this far. As I say, if you've enjoyed it, please click the thumbs up, and if you like what I'm doing, why not subscribe? And all comments are much appreciated, whether that's comment on the video, questions, or suggestions about future videos. So yeah, I enjoyed it, and wish you all the best for the festive season. All being, this is being recorded the evening of the 24th, so hopefully the video will be going out tomorrow, as normal, 5 o'clock UK time on a Sunday. So anyway, thank you for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.